I'm Sophie Robinson, expert colour columnist at House Beautiful magazine, and well, I am on a mission to help and inspire you to embrace more colour and more pattern in your home. In this episode, we are tackling one of my most favourite pattern motifs. It's all about bold stripes. Now, one of the reasons why I love a bold stripe so much is it's just a quick fire way to add colour, pattern and impact to your interior design scheme. One of the reasons why I think bold stripes are really popular right now is because they're quite fun, and they're also coming out in all these bold and playful colour palettes. Now, they can be just the thing in a room. It might be that you wrap the whole room in a really bold stripe from the top of the ceiling all the way down to the floor. This could be a wallpaper, or if you're a bit handy with a mini roller and a roll of masking tape, you can paint your own bold stripes all the way around the room. And I think it's really fun if you take it from the ceiling all the way down the wall and over the skirting boards too. We're also seeing bold stripes painted on the ceiling. That's kind of like a really crazy fun idea. Or indeed on the floor, painting floorboards, or even running up the stairs with your bold stripes. Again, it's about making a really confident statement. I think it's about finding one area that's going to be the statement piece and going for that. So where are you going to use your stripes? Well, the thing to remember is they can also be really useful in tricking the eye. For example, a bold stripe on a wall of wallpaper is going to make the ceiling look higher than it is. A bold stripe curtain is going to make the windows look taller than they are. Apply bold stripes to the floor, either with a large area rug or indeed painting the floorboards can actually stretch the room out. So it's worth thinking about. If you've got an odd shaped room or you want to elongate the space, a stripe is your friend. Now, a bold stripe isn't just something that stands on its own. It can also be part of a more complex pattern colour palette. So for example, I love this headboard, this really bold multi-stripe done on the diagonal, which is a little bit different, but it really cuts through that very bold chintzy wallpaper. So if you love a maximalist colour scheme, if you love playing with lots of pattern, remember a bold stripe will really cut through and help create a little bit of balance. Now, a multi-bold stripe like this one, which has lots of different colours within it, can also be a really good jumping off point for the rest of your colour scheme, of which you can mix all kinds of patterns, geometrics, florals, other stripes, plain paint colours, and this anchors the whole scheme together. It's not all about big items. You can bring a bold stripe in with the accessories too. I tell you what, the high street is absolutely awash with bold stripe cushions right now, preferably with a little matching frill around the edge. And it's not just about the cushions. We've got bold striped tableware, jugs, lampshades, lamp bases, bed linen. The good news is you can just buy a little bit of a bold stripe, inject it into your current colour scheme, and it'll give it an instant update. So my advice is just have fun with it, and I hope this video has got you thinking about how you can introduce a bit of a bold stripe in your colour scheme.